Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create tasks or to-do list in Outlook. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So now I'm using Outlook website. You can log into your Outlook account. After that, in this page, you can navigate to the left navigation menu. And as you can see, you will find to-do option here. You can click on it. And now you can create tasks or to-do list here. Basically, there are some categories here, my day, and then the important tasks, also the planned tasks, and assigned to me, and tasks you created. So let's say you want to add new tasks, you can choose the category. Maybe I want to add to the important category, and you can create your task. Maybe create a post in Instagram, just like that. You can just enter it and it will automatically list your tasks in here. And then you can, set the due date, let's say this one, and also you can, unpin it or you can, and then it will automatically in your task and you can make it important and it will automatically in important category. Also, you can customize here. You can click settings here and you can, choose or customize everything here. You can read it. And yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.